Champion trader Kevin Davey here with another dumb algo trading moment. This is a mistake I've made more than once in my career, and I want to help you avoid it. So let's get started. So over the course of my career, I've made a lot of dumb trading mistakes. I'm an idiot sometimes, I'll admit it. I'm showing you these because I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did. And you might say, well, okay, why should I believe you? Yeah, you're an idiot. Okay, you're a terrible trader. Well, I've also won 3 trading contests finishing in first or second place. So those were real money contests. I trade with real money every day. That kind of gives me some legitimacy, I guess is a good word for it. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm trying to help you with some of my dumb moments. So today's dumb moment is being fooled by fakers. There's a lot of trading educators out there who they make it sound like they trade, and they show you things like they trade, and you got to watch out because a lot of them are just complete fakers and frauds. Here's an example. There was a webinar I watched where the guy showed some trades that he made, and every sell signal he had, he sold at the exact top of the bar. That's pretty good. And if you've traded real money for a while, you know that's not possible. It's possible once in a while, but most of the time you can't always hit the top of the bar for selling. You'll be a tick below, but he was claiming he was selling at the top of every bar. It's all those blue circled trades there. And then I looked down at the bottom of his screen, and it gave his account number, which he didn't really want to give, I'm sure, because the first 3 letters of it say sim. So he was just sim trading. So these were all sim trades, and he made it sound like these were real trades with real money. And I was dumb for actually believing him in the first place. But the good thing was I kind of questioned what he was doing when I saw those good fills, and then I did a little more research. I looked at the bottom of the screen and saw, oh, he's just sim trading. So you got to watch out. So the lesson learned here is no matter what you see in trading or who says it, you've got to be skeptical, and you've got to dig deeper and try to disprove it. And that includes my material. Feel free to look through it and try to question it and try to see if it makes sense. And if you do that with everybody, especially like YouTube ads, I see them all the time where they say, oh, earn 100% a day or a week. Complete nonsense. But it sounds good. Don't fall for that dumb algo trading moment like I did. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.